Hello, my YouTube sewing friends. Today I'm going to show you how to easily turn this old shirt into something fresh and new. So if you would like to see how, then keep on watching. So I have option 1. The first one is for an adult size. So measuring from your shoulder blade down to your natural waistline, and then transfer that measurement to the shirt. I will also add about half an inch seam allowance, and then I'm going to cut along right here. This is a good clothes recycling idea, so if you have a bunch of shirts that you don't wear anymore that are still good quality, you can easily turn them into dresses instead. And as you can see, I matched the side seams of the shirt, and I'm going to trim the back bodice about half an inch, and I'm going to curve it. That is how to get rid of that extra fabric at the back. So if you notice if there is some sort of wrinkling at the back of the dress, you can easily fix it by trimming about half an inch. This shirt was from J. Crew that I purchased long time ago, and the material is a rib knit, so it stretched really well. My daughter actually liked to use or wear this shirt, so I decided to just turn it into a dress for her. So this is where I made the adjustment. This is also the option to turn it into a girl's dress instead. So I pretty much just measured her shoulder blade down to her waistline, and I transfer that on the fabric or on the shirt, and then trim off the rest of the fabric. For the bottom of the dress, I will be using this material that I purchased from fabric.com. I will leave the link in the description box below. So I folded the material or the fabric twice, so I will have two panels on fold, and then I will be using this pattern that I used last week to make this floral dress. But I'm going to adjust the length of the bottom. It's just going to be 23 inches long. And then I will cut along where I place my markings. By the way, you guys, we are almost at 97,000 subscribers here on Sew Aldo. So thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys, and thanks so much for watching all my tutorials. After that, I match the right sides of the fabrics, and I am going to join the side seams. I will be using my serger for this, but you can simply use your sewing machine. And whenever you are using a stretchy material or knit fabrics, you want to always use a stretch stitch that will allow the fabric to stretch and the threads are not going to break. After that, I match the waistline together. I first match the side seams and pin all the way around or clip all the way around. This dress is very easy and fast to make. It only took me less than 30 minutes to finish this dress, and as you can see, there are only 3 seams and 1 hemline. So it's a perfect sewing project for beginners. If you enjoy the sewing project today, be sure to subscribe to Sew Aldo. If you'd like to see more DIY, sewing, and crafts, be sure to hit the likes button and the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you again. Bye!